Working at heights is one of the greatest risks a worker can be exposed to. Falling from heights causes a great deal of fatal accidents, which is why it is crucial to be aware of the risks, to take the necessary precautions. Falling can become an accident, even if it's not from a great height. Only a few inches can be enough to cause an injury. Comply with the existing regulations within your company, applying the most appropriate procedures. Upward grants. Some of the conditions that frequently cause accidents when working at heights. An untrained worker for a job. A worker who is not in great health condition. Exposure to electric power. Lack of harness or harness in poor condition. Unfastened self-retracting lifeline. Personal fall protection in poor condition or out-of-date checkups. Lack of planning. Failure to follow work procedures. Unauthorized work. Unauthorized work. Falling objects. Besides a worker's accident by falling, one of the most common accidents is caused by objects falling from heights. Keep your work area neat, especially if you are working on heights. Misplaced objects may fall and cause accidents. Either above ground level or during excavations, you must always put strong safety barriers to keep people, machinery, or objects from falling. If you're working on heights, signal your work area on the lower level to warn people about the risk area. Protect your workmates, and they will protect you. Never help or receive any type of help that may be dangerous just to reduce the working time or offered in the procedure. Always protect the upper level with nets or fences to avoid objects from falling. Scaffolding is one of the most common devices for working at heights. It must be in great condition, regularly maintained, and fully certified. Remember, neither to overload the scaffolding nor throwing things from it. Do not use improvised scaffolding. It would be unnecessarily dangerous. Use a harness at the minimum height required by your company. It is important that all harness parts are in good condition and with up-to-date certifications. Check the harness before each use and always follow the instructions from the manufacturer. Make sure you fasten the straps onto your body.
Remember to verify the harness and other personal protection elements when working on heights.
Because any type of fall can be dangerous. Always use the anchor points over your head. In an eventual fall, being anchored to a lower level can cause a strong impact on your body. Ladders. Ladders are the most common gear for reaching heights. Make sure you always choose the appropriate ladder and verify its good condition. Analyze the evenness of the ground before setting up the ladder. Never use other objects to level the ground.
Do not try to make the ladder taller by placing it on top of other elements.
For the sake of your and other people's safety, don't forget to signal and delimit the work area. You must always keep 3 supporting points and stay in the center. Do not try to reach to overreach. We hope these tips will contribute to your work safety. Remember that someone who works at heights must be trained. A trained worker is going to be safe. Avoid learning about work safety from an accident. Make safety a choice every day.